Okay, I'm just going to produce a brief video to explain a new functionality that's been added to Teams for us. I'm here in Assignments, the Assignments tab for one of my GCSE groups, and I'm going to enter an instruction about some work that I'd like to set them. So I've put create an activity to help GCSE economics students understand how policymakers might deal with a trade deficit. Now, as I pasted that in, this bottom line down here changed and it added all of these potential things I can add. So these are all going to be suggestions to help flesh out the idea that I've had to help my class. So those can all add something a little bit extra in different ways. So let's try this one first. I'm going to add detail. So it's still kept my initial statement more or less intact. But added, as you can see, quite a few different strategies and parts of the activity that the students will take part in. If I don't like it, I can regenerate and see what else it comes up with. Now that looks like it's kept it more or less the same, but we'll keep it anyway. The add sparkle step, let's see what that does. Okay, we seem to have added a few emojis in case your students have difficulty paying attention long enough to read through these instructions. We'll keep that. Let's emphasize our key concepts. I think this will embolden some of the words. There you go. Trade deficit is in bold now. Keep that. What else we got here? Let's clarify concepts. So that's added a little bit at the bottom there, I think, about what the point of the activity is going to be. So you can see how the AI has really fleshed out the idea that I'd had to help students with one of the more difficult parts of their course by creating this activity, giving them clear, distinct parts of the activity and a plan for what to do. So we'll keep that. So that could be something that could be helpful for you if you've got an idea, but you want to think of a few different ways of presenting it to your students. The AI tool is there for you. Thank you very much.